Hi, I'm Molly Borst.
Hi, I'm Conrad. What's the science?
Conrad, do you know the best way to do chemistry at home?
Baking.
All right, well, what experiment do we have today?
Patriotic CUPcakes.
Excellent, sounds delicious. Let's get started. Let's start with the dry ingredients.
Salt, rice, and flour.
Okay, dump it in. Good job. And then just put the empties over here. Perfect. You really threw that one down there. You silly goose. The next ingredient is?
Cocoa powder.
And the next?
It's sugar.
Lots of sugar. Ooh, okay. So, Conrad, why don't you go ahead and give those dry ingredients a mix?
Watch.
The mug that Conrad's using is a big soup mug that you can get from a grocery store. Good job, Conrad. Mix that in there. Good job. All right, let's put the spoon down here. All right, now we're gonna add the wet ingredients, but first let's get these bowls out of the way.
Yeah.
Okay, so the first wet ingredient.
Eggs. Ew.
Eggs are delicious.
It looks like
slime, right?
Yeah.
That's yummy, yummy eggs. Okay, next. Wait. Before you start mixing, you got more to add. What's that? What is that? What does it look like?
Slime.
No, it's not slime. So instead of oil today, we're going to be using some apple sauce.
Applesauce.
Go ahead, pour it in.
Ew.
Okay.
Ew.
Well, Mommy loves applesauce. And another wet ingredient? Before you start mixing, what's this one?
Milk. This is my favorite.
Ooh, you almost got me. Put it over there in the pile. Good job. All right, and what's this last one? I don't know if I should give this to you.
A splash of vanilla.
A splash of vanilla. A splash! Oh my goodness, folks! Clearly, Conrad and I need to work on our splashes of vanilla. But Conrad, why don't you give it one last stir? We're gonna go ahead and microwave this now. We'll start in a minute. If it needs a little more, we'll go up to as much as 2 minutes and 30 seconds. You can start at a minute and then test it with a toothpick. If it needs a little more, you can give it a little more in the microwave. Okay, we're back from the microwave. We ended up microwaving our cupcake for 1 minute and 50 seconds. How does it look, Conrad?
So good, and it smells delicious.
All right, so now how are we gonna make this a patriotic cupcake?
Oh, I know, Mom.
Yeah.
I know, Mom.
What are we gonna use? We've got some goodies for you too. So I'm gonna give a nice hefty scoop of vanilla icing. And then Conrad will let Conrad decorate. Smear that around.
And I can do the big boy.
Careful, it's hot.
And maybe you do.
Woo! Okay, here we go. Let's give it a nice little smear of frosting. Ooh, it's gonna be so delicious.
It's gonna be coffee.
It looks like a cupcake coffee. Okay, so now we have our icing on top. And I'm gonna let Conrad do the patriotic honors, right? We're gonna celebrate our country with red, white, and blue sprinkles and sugar sprinkles. Go ahead, Conrad. Ooh. Good job, there's some red. And some blue, beautiful.
And some white and red and blue sprinkles.
Woo! I guess a splash of sprinkles, right? Happy 4th of July.
Happy 4th of July.
We'll see you next time.
See you next time.